This is the video about managing consumables in Branch. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. First, let's see how to add consumables. Click on the Administration tab. Next, click Branch Management. Select the branch name. At the submenu on the left, choose Consumables. Here, we can see the list of consumables. To add a new consumable, click on the plus icon. Fill in the consumable's name, then click Save. The consumables are now added. Now let's see how to edit and delete consumables. Click on the pencil icon to edit. Make the changes, then click Save. The consumables are now changed. To delete, simply click on the bin icon. Thank you for watching. Here are some video suggestions that you can also watch.